Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA, Cardano. For me, it's not entirely clear which wave pattern is playing out here. We obviously dropped out of this triangle to the downside. As anticipated, we broke below the low of the wave B. And also as expected, we came down in the first instance to the 35-cent level. The next key support that I told you in the previous video, if we drop below the low of the wave B, which was here at 36.2 cents. So that's all playing out. What I don't think is happening anymore is that this is an impulse, because the decline from that high, which was at 37.2 cents, that decline doesn't look impulsive. So let's say in the best case for ADA, which, and my view is ADA needs another low now anyway. So we want to get below that low at 35 cents. So I'd say at least we want to get to 34.9 cents. ADA needs that. Now it would be really good for the chart to make a nice clean cut, and that if we the next low, that we see, it could be, I'm not saying it will be, but it could be the end to the bear market. The potential is certainly there, because we can count the move down from that high, which was at 46.5 cents, as an entire 5-wave move down. It's possible. I would have to move things around a bit, but I talked about that in the video. There is a chance already that the next low is a complete pattern. It completes the downtrend. However, in the pattern that I have here on the chart, we would see one more move up and another move down that could take us to 30 cents. But I have to flag up that the next low could end the ADA bear market. Now, okay, how likely is it? I don't know. But we obviously trade what's in front of us, and we look at what's in front of us. And technically, all ADA needs now is just one more low to finish off this thing. Now, unfortunately, there's another possibility, and we talked about that also before. Just want to remind everybody that because we have not broken below this low, we haven't broken below the 35-cent level, all of this could also just be a huge triangle, which would be unfortunate because it would be a pain. It honestly would be. It would be a massive pain to see this spread out further here. I don't necessarily think this is going to happen, but it's a possibility, so I need to flag it up to you. However, this would get invalidated if we really drop below the 35-cent level. Other than that, in the best case for ADA, really, I think we make that lower low in a diagonal, and that could be that fifth wave, right? And that could finish everything off. So we need to see. Primary expectation is still that we go lower, but obviously I have to look at this triangle option as well. And as long as we stay above 35 cents, we obviously haven't broken support. I think we will break support. The question is just, does it happen straight away, or will we move up here and down a little bit more in that triangle pattern? For me personally, the target is still around the 30-cent level. I would like to see how the price reacts, however, to the next low. If we see a strong bullish reaction, or do we see further sliding, which would suggest that the low is not in yet, and then we will see a further decline, possibly really to that 30-cent level. And then I want to see how does the price really react to that 30-cent level, because there is certainly a chance to drop down to 15 or 20, but this would be a very extreme case, I think. So this is not my primary expectation, but of course it's all possible, right? It's all possible. But primarily I see this here at the moment as a diagonal pattern that could spread out a little bit further, of course. But the point is we need to break the 35-cent level. That's the next key support. The fact that we have come down so far to the previous support level would suggest that we will break it. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if on some exchanges we've actually already broken it, because the price is very, very close to one from today actually. And if I compare that to the one from the 13th of October, very, very similar, very close. And if we already now break to the upside, I would probably struggle to make here a bullish case. So my view would still be that we will see another move down. And again, my view would be that this is a triangle, because really, if this is an Elliott wave triangle that's happening here, then you could even go all the way up to 38.9 cents to the wave A high. And as long as you don't break it, this is a valid contracting triangle. Okay, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.